Claude Code Club by Duncan Rogoff and David Iya has grown to more than 8,000 members, and at the moment, it costs just $9 per month. At that price, I don't think the biggest question is whether there's enough training inside. It's whether learning Claude Code can actually translate into making money. Claude Code has made it possible to build websites, apps, and automations without being an experienced developer. But that creates another problem. If thousands of other people can use the same tools to build similar things, simply knowing Claude Code isn't much of a competitive advantage. If you want to freelance, you still need to find businesses with problems worth solving, convince them that your solution is valuable, and actually close them as clients. Claude Code Club can make the technical side easier. It can't make businesses automatically pay you. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online, even when school groups like this one exist, and what you can do to actually become the exception, make sure to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. So go and grab it in the description of this video while I'm still giving it away for free now. Because the Claude Code Club website showcases members reporting some impressive results, including client projects worth several $1,000s and recurring retainers. But these are selected testimonials. I couldn't find reliable data showing what percentage of the thousands of members have actually generated income after joining. That's an important distinction. Someone landing a $6,000 project shows that making money with these skills is possible. It doesn't tell us what the average member earns. This is probably the strangest thing I found. Right now, the Skool page says there are only 17 spots left at $9, and once the community reaches 8,400 members, new members will supposedly pay $69 per month. But earlier indexed versions of the same page used lower thresholds. When the community had around 7,600 members, for example, it said the price would increase at 7,700 members. The community has obviously passed that number, yet membership is still $9, so I wouldn't personally make a buying decision because the page says there are only a handful of discounted spots remaining. And don't forget to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video to discover why the entire game is rigged against the small player and what you can do to become the exception. It may just end up being the eye-opener you were looking for all along. At the current price, I think the value proposition is pretty strong. You're getting access to a community with more than 8,000 members, beginner training, templates, prompts, and ongoing updates for $9 a month. The standalone site currently advertises 650 plus lessons and 400 plus skills, MCPs and prompts. Even if you never make money from Claude Code, you don't need much value from the training to justify $9. At $69 per month, I'd judge it much more critically. And if you stayed this far, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.